Good morning and a warm welcome to your show, Sunny Mornings in San Diego. I'm your host, Melissa, and it's Friday, August 9th. You'll be interested to know, 36 years ago, today in 1988, Wayne Gretzky, a Canadian hockey player, was traded from the Edmonton Oilers to the Los Angeles Kings, a deal that shocked the sports world and stunned his home country, where he was a national icon. This monumental trade changed the landscape of professional hockey and highlighted Gretzky's immense impact on the sport. So now you know. And now, it's time for the Surf Report. Expect a mix of waist to chest-high waves from the south-southwest on Friday morning, fading to stomach-high sets in the afternoon. Mornings will be glassy with light onshore winds, less than 5 miles per hour. Over the weekend, swells drop to knee to thigh-high, with semi-glassy conditions in the mornings and semi-bumpy afternoons, as winds range from 5 to 10 miles per hour. By Monday, expect a slight build in the knee to thigh-high southwest swell with semi-glassy mornings and semi-choppy afternoons, winds increasing to 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday at Tourmaline and South San Diego. It's looking clean in the morning until 10 at 2 to 3 feet. Then it ratchets up a bit at 3+ feet and fair until sunset. Might be the best day this week. Best time to ride is at 6 a.m. with a 1.5-foot low tide when the west swell is 3 feet at 12 seconds and the onshore wind is 2 miles per hour. The first low tide Friday will be 1 foot just before 6:30 a.m. with a 4.5-foot high tide at 1. This morning it's mostly cloudy and feels like 66 degrees with no wind. The sunset will take place at 7:39, and it will rise again tomorrow at 6:09. It looks like we're in for a mostly sunny day with a high near 77 and a gentle west wind up to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, expect some patchy fog after 11 p.m., partly cloudy skies, and a low around 67. Looking ahead in the weather. Expect patchy fog each morning through Wednesday, clearing by mid-morning. Days will be mostly sunny, with highs near 79 to 80 and light southwest winds. Nights will bring patchy fog again, partly cloudy skies, and lows around 65 to 68. Bonjour, food enthusiasts. This podcast is brought to you by Versailles Cafe and Pastries in Encinitas. Nestled on El Camino Real South, just north of Encinitas Boulevard, this cafe is a haven for culinary delights. Indulge in their amazing Eggs Benedict or their gluten-free crepes. You can grab a panini for lunch or just breeze on through to get your morning coffee. They are open every day from 8 to 5. So stop on by and don't forget to tell them Sunny Morning sent you. In local news, the Padres are currently the hottest team in Major League Baseball. Since the All-Star break, San Diego has gone 13-3, the best record in the majors during this span. Here are 5 reasons why this success is sustainable. First, their bullpen shortens games, allowing high-leverage relievers to rest while maintaining strong performance. Second, the offense fits well together, highlighted by Donovan Solano's impactful signing. Third, they are built for October with a deep bullpen, versatile lineup, and strong rotation. Fourth, they could improve further with Joe Musgrove and possibly Yu Darvish returning. And lastly, the team's positive vibes and camaraderie are palpable, creating an enjoyable winning environment. Now on to sports. The United States men's basketball team triumphed over Serbia in a thrilling semifinal, securing a 95-91 victory. Steph Curry dazzled with 36 points on 12 for 19 shooting. Kevin Durant and Devin Booker ignited a fourth-quarter rally with consecutive three-pointers, changing the game's momentum. The United States will now face France for the gold medal at 9:30 p.m. local time on Saturday. LeBron James praised Curry's performance, saying, "It was only a matter of time before he had one of these games." Serbia's Nikola Jokic and Bogdan Bogdanovic led their team with strong performances. In local sports, the Padres on the road beat the Pirates 7-6. And tonight, the Padres are on the road in Miami to take on the Marlins. In top news, Les Wexner, the billionaire behind Victoria's Secret, is reaping benefits from a $1 million seed investment in Atlantic crypto, now known as CoreWeave. His family trust's stake in CoreWeave, which is valued at $19 billion, has ballooned to $720 million. This investment, initially advised by Florence Capital Advisors, is now under legal scrutiny. CoreWeave, once a struggling cryptocurrency miner, evolved into a major AI cloud service provider. Wexner's real estate moves, including land sales to tech giants, have further solidified his financial standing. In business news, the California wine industry is facing turmoil as one of its largest companies, Vintage Wine Estates, filed for bankruptcy. The company plans to lay off its entire California workforce and delist from the stock market just 3 years after going public. Despite broader industry struggles, many issues were unique to Vintage, including its rushed public listing through a special purpose acquisition corporation in 2021. Financial reporting errors, lawsuits, and leadership changes further compounded its problems. The industry may now see a disruption in merger and acquisition cycles, with Vintage's assets hitting the market at discounted prices. In crypto movement, Bitcoin is just under $61,400. Ethereum is just under $2,700. And Solana is $160. Moving on to a more local vibe. In our community spotlight on health and wellness, we are working with a national Pilates studio to bring you some free classes, so listen up. Check out Club Pilates, with several locations in the San Diego area. Pilates presents a comprehensive wellness approach, cultivating strength, reducing tension, and elevating mental well-being. Scientific research affirms its benefits. So now you can check out Club Pilates for a free class, with locations in Encinitas, Solana Beach, Oceanside, La Jolla, and more. Just be sure to tell them Sunny Morning sent you by. And now, back to the show. Let's talk tech. A U.S. court has ordered the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX to pay $12 billion and $700 million in relief to its customers, according to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. FTX misled customers with an illusion that it was a safe and secure place to access crypto markets, then misappropriated their deposits for risky investments, said Chairman Rostin Benham. The settlement requires FTX to pay $8 billion and $700 million in restitution and $4 billion in disgorgement. Founder Sam Bankman-Fried, sentenced to 25 years for stealing $8 billion, has appealed. Votes on the bankruptcy proposal are due on August 16th. And in entertainment news, Warner Bros. Discovery is facing significant struggles as its stock plunges due to the expected loss of the National Basketball Association contract and underperformance in key business units. The company reported a $9 billion write-down in its cable TV channel's value, alarming investors. Shares fell by 11% after acknowledging the loss of the National Basketball Association contract during its second quarter earnings call. Chief Executive David Zaslav highlighted changing market conditions for legacy media companies. Analysts suggest asset sales to stabilize the company, which reported a net loss of nearly $10 billion for the quarter. Well, alrighty, folks, it's time for the quote of the day. And today, our quote comes from the Canadian Hall of Famer, Wayne Gretzky. And he said, "The day I stop giving is the day I stop receiving. The day I stop learning is the day I stop growing. You missed 100% of the shots you don't take." And that's a wrap for this morning. You can check out our Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for some captivating aerial videos with local news and the surf reports. Have an amazing day, my good friends. We'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Sunny Mornings in San Diego.